Hmm. Welcome back to RiotTech. Today we will be saying top 5 basic SQL query you should know. Let's see this. We have created two tables. One is employee and another is salaries. First, let's select these two, and you can see the rows and columns of these tables. By executing them, let's select them both at once. Let's write my basic query in this comment, and let's start with where commands. What is where commands? It's simple, bro. Like you have to filter query, like it's just a normal SQL. Let's see this like through from this example. Like we have to select query where salary is greater than 50,000. So we just have to select salary. Sorry, I have to write this column name properly. Salary from like table name, and let's fix this, and that's perfect. And then where salary is greater than 50,000, so it will select the only one column salary, and their value is which are greater than 50,000, and you can see that. But if you want the employee ID to or then you can just add column on there by employee ID, or you can just say all, then it will say all columns with salary which are greater than 50,000. That's it. And let's look up to another example. This where, so now we will see like another example. First do this where we will, what we'll do, let's see these values. Now we will select the departments which are like sales department. There only the values which department are sales. We can see like department is equal to sales, so it gives us the columns and their value related to sales department only. We can see that. Now let's move to this one. What is group by? So group by is basically a command which we use to like filter columns like by the group. Like for example, in this section we can see department, so we will use this group by in departments, so we will see the name of the employee according to their department, like in a good manner. And for this we have to like just use this query where we will be seeing like the name which are associated with a certain department or group by a department. We have just have to select name department from employee table. Then if we just use like group by, or we can use this not in this way, in this way. If we use like group by department, then we can see the name according to their respective departments. Let's remove this one and execute this. So now this is perfect. We can see the name according to their department, like there are two HR department. And now let's see order by. What is order by? It's just like we can see the name in the like distinct order. They are like just in a random form like B, E. Now we will see this in alphabetic order. For that we have to select name, from employee table like this, and then we just have to use order by, and we have to give the column name, and we have to define like we want it in ascending order or descending order. Like if you give in ascending order, it will show us from like A, B, C, D and so on. And that's the work of order by. And now we'll go to the join command. What is join command? So first of all, let's run this command, and so we can see the two table like in a combined way. Suppose we have to find out the salary according to the name of the employee. So what we do, we use join command, and let's see how we are using this command. And for that you have to select, and you have to get an e dot, like if we'll see it later, e dot employee id, comma, e dot what we want next, name, comma, what we want salary, which is from salary column. So we are using s dot salary from what, employee e, employees e. So it will like assign the e dot to the employee table. So we have to use this join keyword, and we have to specify the next table where we are joining our column with, and this we have to check the spelling, that's the correct one, and we have to give it also like in the same way like employee e, so salary s on e dot employee id. So we want it in salary column, so we will give it like this, s dot employee id by this. Something is wrong. I think I forgot I think I forgot a comma like in there. Now it's perfect, and we will run this, and we can see the employee ID, name and salary which are in distinct table. That's perfect, and like this we can use this. Thank you for today.